I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You are the organizer, a valid payment method is set, and all devices run supported OS versions. Next, open the platform's family sharing settings and start a new family group. Invite each member using their account ID. Send the invite now so they can accept immediately. Once done, pick which purchase types to share, apps, subscriptions, or media, and enable the ones you want. This establishes the shared pool and prepares the next detailed configuration step. Now you configure what to share and how. Open each family sharing category and toggle app purchases and subscriptions to shared. Make sure to set approval rules for children or restricted accounts so purchases need consent. This prevents surprises. Also check each app's eligibility because some in-app purchases or region-locked apps won't share automatically. Once configured, instruct members to sign out and back into the store app so the shared library appears. Confirm by downloading a previously purchased app as a test. Finish by testing. Have a family member download a shared app to confirm access. If it fails, first verify that the organizer's payment method is active and not blocked. Many stores require it even for free downloads. Make sure all members are signed into the correct account and that regional settings match the organizer's store region. If issues persist, remove and re-invite the affected member or toggle sharing off and on for that category. This often clears permission caches and resolves sync errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.